Welcome to today's video. This is tonight's setup. There's John's hammock set up. Sorry, his tarp set up. We just arrived an hour ago. We've got all our gear to put out. Aldi's special. I'm going to put my ridge line across there. Then we're going to have a fire pit there and maybe put another tarp up somewhere. But today we are just past Leeds Way.
Burning stars up high, another trail beneath the sky, which is calling. He's your man, Bushman Dan. Yeah, Bushman Dan, out in the wild.
Got my ridge line set up, quite high. Got my prusik knots ready. Right, let's get this tarp set up. Tonight we've got hot dogs, what they're called posh dogs. We're going to make some posh dogs. What buns have you got there? What buns are there?
Brioche.
Brioche buns, hot dogs. We're going to make them, onions. Oh, you get black pudding there?
No.
Also we're going to put that in there.
Whatever
Hot dogs as well.
It's nice.
Double glossed with onion and chive. Yes, look at them bad boys. Bacon for tomorrow morning. What I've done is I've bought the little alcohol stove, so just in case it's raining tomorrow, we can just set the little alcohol stove up underneath the tarp and we can just have a coffee and a bacon sarnie.
Snacks.
Oh, look, you bought two. You said we had no food. You're a mad bastard, you. And you bought some of them, you know? Where have you all at before we go home?
It's fine by me.
Yeah. You want this tarp here? I got it from Amazon about 2 years ago. Never used it once, so it's quite close to the fire, but I'm not even bothered if it gets any holes in it because I've never used it. It was only about a tenner of that, so it'll be ideal. Keep it dry.
Onions are getting fried in.
Oh, chili infused olive oil. That'd be nice, that one. Big chunky onions. Oh no. Look at that boy. Looks like some sort of lube. John's brought the lube for tonight. Right, should we down this? Oh, well, I'm going to have this can. We're going to set our hammocks up. That's all we've done the tarps. And we're going to might have a wander around, maybe collect some firewood. Hopefully we can get the fire going with that. And it's enough heat to dry some of the wet stuff.
Need the side tension up.
Oh, you do, yeah, go on, yeah. Yeah. It took me ages to learn to go to the bar and ask for star ramen. I used to have to go there and point, because the way I speak all the time, stutter and that. It took it took ages. Oh, can I have that one, please? That's what it was like all the time. John's got the football that.
Yeah, I think we can dry some out. It's key fleet.
Do you know what? If you had a floor before, you could come down here, couldn't you?
Yeah.
I mean,
You piss through all this, like,
yeah.
straight through.
In the summertime when it's dry, it's no problem. But I wouldn't, even in the summertime, I wouldn't come down on my little Corsa.
I've seen it where
Wouldn't make it.
on the pictures on Facebook where they've got the cars and they've got the taps up against the car.
Yeah. I've seen loads of them do that. Bit of car camping. Just walking back to the car to get our coats. We've made 2 trips so far, this will be the 3rd trip. We brought that much stuff today.
Most of it being wood.
Most of it being wood, yeah. At least it's only a 5-minute walk to the car. This is called Hainworth wood. Is it? Yeah?
Yeah.
That's what it's called, yeah. Quite good, to be honest, I like it. So we paid £5 per adult. Kids are free. And we get to come anytime we wanted to and leave anytime we want. Could do. It's never stopped raining all day. Raining, wind. I think next week we've got some sort of Arctic blast coming over. It's gonna be -4 apparently. Yeah, I say you go first, John, eh? You go first, son. Oh shit. What are you thinking about? You gonna do it or not? No. Wait, oh! Well done. Right, thing is, John, you're fitter than me. Can I jump over there? Oh my god, I'm gonna fall in. You do realise you've got to jump back over? John, there's a big waterfall over there. Are you ready? You ready? Fucking whoa! All the wet stuff around the fire, around the stone fire. And when they heat up, the wood just heat itself, just start to dry out these wetter ones. We need to have some more like Dolmy, but blazing at the minute. Nice, I'll get going with it.
Perfect.
The burn trees off the switch or no crap.
I can't tell. Goodbye's too good a word, babe. So I just
Look at that. You ever seen one that big before? Yeah. Nice, huh? One of these chorizo and cheese things. It's a chorizo.
Mine's disintegrated, I think.
No, mine's lovely. Perfect.
Oh no, there it is.
It's been a good night.
Nice chilled
Well,
night, isn't it?
Bit chilled, yeah. I think we're lacking in firewood. We struggled a bit with firewood. We bought 2 big bags of it and a bag of kindling, and it's still not enough. Like, we've dug up what we can from the floor, but everything's soaking wet. It's dried okay, though, hasn't it? But there's just not much of it, so I reckon we'll run out of firewood before the night's out. Look at that. I'll bring you back with the hour food. I'm going to put some music on as well, so I can't record because
Let me put some music on.
YouTube will start crying because it's copyright.
Said get yourself over there, might be KSI on that.
Can't be seen the GoPro. The light's bright, isn't it? Right, we've had our food. Hot dogs were beautiful, weren't they?
Lovely, really nice.
Now we're just chilling out. Fire's going strong. The landowner, he leaves loads of old bits of timber and stuff, so we've got some there. Fair enough, a few bits have got paint on, like, and floorboards and that bit.
It's all fly tipping, isn't it?
Fly tip in the air, so he dumps it all there, and he allows the people who come to burn it, so you might as well make use of it.
Skating boards, doors.
Skating boards, doors. But yeah. Soaking wet, like, it's all soaking wet, so you put it on the fire, it's all dried off. It's, as you can see, it's absolutely spot on. We've got plenty more food left as well, but I don't even know if I can eat any more yet. Look at that, 99p pencil case in the bargain bin. That does for all my cutlery and all that. Don't need to buy now expensive. 99p. I've got chili flakes there as well. Ooh. Yes guys, we are on the rum and coke. To be honest, it's a lovely rum as well. Can I show you it? Turn the music off. It is lamb spiced rum. Lovely. Very nice. That's a small torch we just made using some old resin we found at our last camp. Whoa, smoke. Whoa. Well,
I think it's called sinew.
sinew.
It's when you used to use like the tendons of like game like deer and things like that, and used to use it with like birch stuff, so it's like glue. Used to wrap it around like spearheads and axe heads, and used to like bond it to the handle. Pretty sure that's what it was called. Sinew.
Sinew. Well, what I will say, we've got a bit of rum left, but the Pepsi Max is almost gone. Now, it's about a 5 minute walk or something.
Yeah.
To the car. Sorry guys, the battery ran out there. We went back, we got the lemonade, the lambs. It's almost gone, there's a bit left there, like. Yeah, it's pissing down again as well. That's basically the last time we've got firewood.
Shit.
Obviously it's all soaked and wet, so it takes a bit of time to get to dry out, but
oh, it's really hot.
once it does, goes blazing. So now on the rum and coke. I've got rum and coke and everything out, so we've got a bit of lemonade in there as well. Okay. We have got a lot of tidying up to do tonight / tomorrow. It's been a good night, it's been nice and chilled. Had the music on, playing all the classics. John's had John's request was Steps and 5. Yeah.
Size.
Liked a bit of Madonna as well. It's 20 to 2 in the morning. We're a bit peckish, so we've got the last of the halloumi on. And some hot dogs. Some chili spice olive oil stuff. John's eating chocolate peanuts. Oh, what a song, Alcabel.
Yeah.
Forever Young. What a song.
Massive in Japan, these, you know.
Yeah.
What else on top of that? I need more butter.
No, I've got enough butter now, mate. Fucking hell.
John's still in his hammock, fast asleep. Lightweight. I'm gonna have a bit of a tidy up. Got the coffee on the go there. Got some nice filtered coffee.
Where's your fucking head at?
I can't even see it. Were you cold enough?
No, not too bad.
Yeah, mine was cold. My face was cold, but I was panicking just in case your underside was cold, you know.
No. I woke up about an hour ago, so I've just been trying to like go back.
See, I've had not much sleep, like. Do you know what? Sorry, no. Right? Upstairs, right? I had the best sleep last night, camping ever. Honestly, I don't know whether it's because I was just drunk.
Yeah, certainly, yeah.
But I went to sleep and I slept all the way through until morning time.
No, I didn't wake up during the night.
Yeah.
I was asleep all the way through.
I had a few people snoring. I don't know what it was you or them other campers over there. I don't know. Yeah.
No, I didn't wake up during the night. I woke up this morning when it was still light.
Bear in mind, I woke up about... I only had about 5 hours sleep. But I feel alright. Do you want a coffee? I've got the coffee on now.
Feel rough as fuck anyway.
I bet you do. You didn't want to stop? 2 o'clock. Have another can, have it. Oh, I sat on the cans again. I'm like, we drank all the cans before. I had a full bottle of rum. You want to go back on the cans again?
I did, I went back on the camera.
Yeah, you did, yeah.
I'm glad I had that, like...
I want the extra blanket, the metal foil thing.
Jacket.
Orange jacket. Just been talking to another YouTuber that was on site today. It was called Chris Neve. I'll put the link in the description to his channel, but he seemed like a really nice bloke. I mean, he's I don't know if it was his friend or his son that was out with him. I'm not sure, but seemed like really nice people. They were staying in the hot tents, so I bet they were cozy and warm. Yeah. Kettle's boiling now. Alcohol burner. Yes, it's getting there now. Got plenty of water down here. Didn't say anymore now. No, I think the worst part about wild camping is packing up. Got all this shite to pack up, all the rubbish to pick up. Pack up John's bead as well, it's that big. Word of warning, don't buy hand warmers from One Below, because they'll last about 20 minutes. Then we sat there quiet and quiet in the main woodland part, and we've seen loads of squirrels and seen a woodpecker and rabbits running around everywhere. It's quite cool just sitting there watching all the nature go by. Tell you what, the old cheap Amazon tarp did us a treat, kept us out of the rain. But we tied 2 points to both our ridge lines on our hammocks. The 2 back points went to the trees, and away our cock on. Anyway, we're going to pack up now. Right, we are all packed up. The fire pit's staying there because it's a designated fire pit around the area. As usual, we leave no trace. That's it, guys. I'll see you on the next one.